Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through ABCD journal list. Okay, I'll be telling you how to check all these journal and how to cross check whether it is there in Scopus, UGC CARE and everything. Okay, so before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel. If you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe here. And you can find a lot of useful playlist for you. So this is one playlist which you have to check, that is SCI Scopus Index Journal. So I'll be updating about the journals list here, and you can see AI all about research, okay, and the skill up. So these three playlists will be definitely helpful for you. Okay, so and one more thing, I have already uploaded about what is ABCD Index Journal here, so you can just go and check this in the all about research playlist. Okay, so today I'll be walking you through the ABCD journal, how to cross check everything. So let's go to the topic. So this is what ABCD journal indexing link. Okay, this link you can get it in the comment section, that is a pinned section, you can find it. So once if you click on abcdindex.com, you will be getting this particular screen where you can find, you have list of computer science journal, list of pharmacy, list of language and literature, and list of social science. So they will be adding more and more. Okay, so once if you click on anything, so let us just go ahead and click on this pharmacy and pharmaceutical journal at ABCD. So here you will be finding few journals. Okay, so these are the list of journals. So on the left side, you can find something, on the left side you can find something to apply the filters. Okay, so this is what you can apply the filters here. So how we will be applying is what you can just go ahead and type if you want to go and search for only paid or free. So this is the one, and the next one is indexing. Which indexing you are looking for, whether you are looking for UGC CARE or SCI or Scopus. So whatever you want, you can just select this here. I'm just going to select UGC CARE. And what is the rating? A, B, C, D. So this is what the rating they have given. So you can select rating. If you are not sure about this rating, just go ahead and click search. So once if you click search, you can find some filter has been applied. So these are all the journals which are here in ABCD, which are also in UGC CARE. Okay, now let us just select any one journal. Okay, Journal of Oncology Pharmacy Practice. Okay, so I'm just going to select this. Once if you select this, it will open a journal information in a separate page. So here you can see this is what the Journal of Oncology, and this is ISSN number, this is PIS print ISSN number. And if you wanted to know more about it, you can just go and search here. It's a journal, and when they have issued their first issue, and this is 8 issues yearly, so they are publishing 8 issues per year, each year. Okay, and the publisher is Sage Publication, and this is a pharmacology, and you can find the website as well here. Okay, and about this particular journal, and you can see they have indexed this as A journal. Okay, and which means the highest ranking journal, so it's verified. So the first one is you have to go and cross check that in the UGC CARE, because we have searched in the UGC CARE, right? Just copy this journal name, okay, name of the journal, and go to your UGC CARE, so consortium. Okay, this is the one. If you just click on this, this is a clone journal. This UGC CARE list group 1, it will take you to this page. So go to the title and paste it and click for the search. You can see whether if the title is available, it will show you if the title is there. Okay, or else you have to go and search for the group 2. Okay, so you can see here group 2 is here. So if it is not found in the group 1, then you have to go ahead with the group 2. Okay, so here in the group 2 you can see this is like arts and humanities or science or social studies. So let's just go ahead and click on this science and social studies, and let's just try to search it here whether it's available or not. Okay, so Journal of Oncology Pharmacy Practice, yes, it's there. Because it will be there in group 1 or group 2. Okay, so in the UGC CARE you have to search both. So if you just click on this view profile, you can see that what is a complete profile. You have to cross check again. Okay, so that is an important thing. Okay, so you have to cross check whether it is there or not. If it is there, you can just go ahead and try this Journal of Oncology and Pharmacy Practice and check here. This is what Sage, right? It's a Sage publication, so you can find it here as well. Okay, you have to cross check with the ISSN number, print ISSN number and everything. How to check that? You have to go to the information about this particular journal. Okay, that is very important. So you have to cross check before cross checking it whether it is really there in the Scopus or the Sage or the SEI. You should not proceed. Okay, so you can find the journal overview and metrics here and everything about it, and the submission guidelines. If you go to the submission guidelines, you can find more about that particular journal. So just go to the journal and check whether do you want to pay something. There are no fee payable to submit or publish the journal in this particular journal. Okay, so I think you can just go ahead and you have to prepare your manuscript here properly. So yes, we have cross checked one. Okay, because since we have checked for the oncology, and likewise you have to check for each and every journal. Okay, just simply don't go ahead and submit it unless and until you have searched for it. Okay, so that is very important. So let us try to check for the computer science journal as well. So you can click here where it is taking you to this particular thing. Okay, you can simply search for Scopus. Okay, search for Scopus and search. So I got this Journal of Universal Computer Science. So once you get this Journal of Universal Computer Science, you can see what is this completely. Okay, so the journal, it's there in Scopus from 1996 to 2021. So they have mentioned clearly that it's there in 1996 to 2021. So let us just go and cross check this here. So you can just simply go here and select for the Scopus, and once if you select the Scopus, you know, like you can see, you can search for the source here. Okay, just click on this source and you can find that you have the title. Okay, just go ahead here and click on this title. I recommend you. Okay, so I think I haven't copied that properly. So the thing is, what I can tell you is what, don't directly submit your paper unless and until you have cross checked it. Okay, Universal Computer Science, find the source. So it will take you to that source and click on that source. Let's cross check whether it's there. Yes, it's there in Scopus. Okay, but in the ABCD journal they have mentioned like it's a 1996 to 2021. The thing is what, by seeing any information in any website, you should not blindly accept it. Okay, you have to cross check. Okay, so here they have mentioned like this. Here they have mentioned like this. So if I feel like okay, it's not in the Scopus, then I may miss this particular journal, right? So the thing is like you have to go and cross check. Okay, so here you can find this is there in Scopus. Just copy this, search here. Okay, and you can also see, click on this particular journal. So what happens, it will open up, right? So this is what the journal. Okay, so you can just visit on this particular journal platform so that you can learn more about this particular journal, like what is this journal is all about and whether you can go ahead with publishing in this journal. Okay, so everything you can just go and check here about the cost. You know, like they are taking only 75 days to validate everything, and they will be sending you the first decision. Okay, and you can also go ahead and check for the cost. Okay, whether they have mentioned anything about the cost. So author guidelines, you can just check for the author guidelines as well, and you can see what is the publication charge and everything. So first you can just directly check here, is there any publication charge for that? There are no submission or publication fee for the authors. So this is an excellent journal that you all should try, that is Journal of Universal Computer Science. You know, anything other than this, you can just go ahead and check about this particular journal, like what is the scope of the journal and how long they are taking to like as we saw, like on 2021 they received 755 and they have accepted for review 129. Okay, Likewise, you can see the statistics of the journal, what is the focus and scope of the journal. Okay, they are completely concentrating on the general literature, hardware, software, computer system, theory, so all these things they are talking about it. So it's very important to think about any specific journal before you consider submitting your article. Okay, so this is what how you can cross check your ABCD journal as well as the other thing. You have to cross check before you submit. Likewise, you can go ahead and cross check on the social science. Okay, you can cross check on the social science and check for any specific indexing here. Thomson Reuters Thomson Reuters and everything. You can search and get the perfect journal for you, and then you can proceed with that. Okay, so this is how this journal this ABCD journal actually works. So the ultimate thing what I wanted to tell you is what, please cross check before cross checking any journal. Please do not proceed with that, because it may be there in the scopus, or it may be removed, but it is good to check before you proceed further. Okay, so if you have any questions related to your PhD or your article, your papers or anything, you can just schedule a call with me here. The link is there in the description. I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. I'll meet you soon with the next exciting video.